Two heavyweights in the CRM world, Salesforce and Freshsales. One enterprise titan, one rising AI-powered star. Which one truly delivers in 2025? On the left, Salesforce, the enterprise powerhouse for CRM. On the right, Freshsales, the affordable AI-powered CRM built for growing teams. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into what matters most. Each round will award points, and at the end, you'll see who comes out on top. The final winner might just surprise you. Okay, before we get into the nitty-gritty, here's the mind map. These are the categories we'll be comparing: pricing and value, ease of use and setup, AI and automation, integrations and ecosystem, communication channels, reporting and analytics, and scalability. So yeah, a pretty full-on face-off. Let's kick things off with pricing and value. Because, honestly, who isn't watching their budget these days? Salesforce, to be fair, does have a free plan, but once you want those juicy features, man, the price shoots up. Think $24 per user per month. And that's just the start. You're often looking at longer contracts, and honestly, a bunch of the really good stuff is stashed away in the higher tiers. On the flip side, Freshsales? This is where things get fun for small teams. Starts at just $9 a user each month. Super flexible billing, and you're not trapped in those year-long contracts unless you want to be. The free plan gives you a taste, and the paid options won't break the bank. Now, sure, their growth plan caps you at 10 users, and it's not really designed for big, super complex organizations, but for most folks, pretty solid. So yeah, Freshsales definitely takes the win here. Next up is ease of use and setup. Salesforce is kind of legendary for all the admin controls and customization you get, but oh man, the learning curve is real. The interface is so complex that you pretty much need someone dedicated to running it for you. On the other hand, Freshsales is actually fun to set up. It's super intuitive, super friendly, and basically anyone can pick it up, even if you're not a tech person. The workflows are simpler, which might mean you won't get as much complexity, but honestly, for most people, that's a good thing. So here again, Freshsales comes out ahead. All right, let's talk AI and automation, because everybody's obsessed with that right now. Salesforce brings some heavy hitters to the table. Einstein AI, crazy analytics and predictions, plus advanced automation. If, and it's a big if, you pay for it. You're looking at $75 a user per month just to unlock those features. For smaller teams, this is borderline out of reach. But Freshsales isn't snoozing either. With Freddy AI included in their Pro plan, you get lead scoring, email personalization, and yes, some generative AI magic for way less cash. It's not as deep or customizable as Salesforce, but you still get legit value for day-to-day sales work. In this round, both pack a punch, so we'll call it a tie. Oh, and here's something cool before we jump to the next category. CRM isn't just software. It actually stands for customer relationship management. It's a strategy, a mindset, and yeah, the tech is just one part. Moving on to integrations and ecosystem. Salesforce is honestly in a league of its own. Their App Exchange has what feels like endless integrations. Nearly any tool you can think of, there's probably a Salesforce integration for it. It's awesome. Just remember, some of those come with extra fees. With Freshsales, you get the essentials covered, like direct phone, email, SMS, chat, all baked in. But the marketplace here is, let's say, cozier. They have less niche stuff and not as much room to expand beyond the basics. So, yep, for scale and sheer flexibility, Salesforce wins. Now, onto communication channels. This one's actually super interesting. Salesforce gives you native email, no problem. But if you want phone or SMS, they'll ask for extra money, like $25 more per user each month. Honestly, it feels kinda old school. But Freshsales, oh, this is slick. Everything's just there. Email, phone, SMS, chat, even e-sign, so you can keep conversations running without any fuss. The unified timeline is super handy too. If you want to communicate with leads easily and without buying add-ons, Freshsales absolutely takes it. Reporting and analytics. Salesforce, again, is kind of nuts in this area. Crazy advanced dashboards, analytics that actually help you make big decisions, Einstein analytics for deep dive stuff. The only catch? It's a lot to learn if you're a beginner, and can get overwhelming. Freshsales gives you good bread and butter sales reporting and some smart insights with Freddy AI and higher plans. But let's be real, not nearly as much depth. For pro-level number crunchers, Salesforce is the champ. Last category, scalability. And you guessed it, Salesforce is built to handle the huge enterprise-level deals. You can throw data and users at it all day long, and it just shrugs. Sure, if you really push, it can slow down, but that's only on a mega scale. Freshsales is awesome for SMBs and mid-sized teams just getting started. But if you ever get really, really big, you might start bumping into user limits and need something more. Scalability? Salesforce wins here, no question. So looking at all categories side by side, Freshsales really shines for price-conscious, fast-moving teams that want modern features up front and don't want to mess with complicated setups. Salesforce crushes it for big organizations who need insane customization, reporting, and growth potential. You can see it's not just a competition. It's about what you actually need. All right, so overall, here's the vibe. Salesforce is absolutely the go-to for huge enterprises, big budgets, and teams that want to tweak every little detail. But if you want something affordable, easy to use, and still rocking solid AI and communication features, Freshsales totally wins here for SMBs and smaller teams. Did this help you pick? If you're not sure, go grab a free trial or schedule a demo. Both Salesforce.com and Freshsales.com have options, so you can see what suits your workflow for